Yeah. Well, time for another check on our forecast as we take a live look here at a wet Sutter Health Park sky camera. Kind of a little drizzly right now, Tamara. You say the rain may pick up a bit as we move later into the day.
Yeah, you know, right now things may be a little soggy or damp is a good way to describe kind of the current road conditions. And the difference between last week's storm system and cycle and this one's warmer. So this is not that cold, wet, heavy soaking rain that we dealt with last week. Instead, this comes in more of a very light, kind of a finer rain instance, and it's mild outside as well. So the showers will be more intermittent today across the valley, on and off periods. Steadier for you in the foothills and the Sierra. That snow level is pretty high up, above 9,000 feet, and it will get occasionally gusty at times, especially in the afternoon along the western Sacramento Valley and along the Sierra. Radar sweep showing the most activity. We're squeezing out or wringing out the most rain here down the west slope, and especially areas along and north of 80 up and through Sierra County, Nevada County, and Plumas County. You've had some good runs of rain, especially around Loma Rica and even into Yuba City, seeing a few passing light showers and more moderate bands of rain around lake level. Truckee, Tahoe City, South Lake Tahoe getting rain on top of that snow layer, and a few passing showers for you waking up in Arnold on top of the snow there. Sonora seeing some very light bands of rain in Stockton, Riverbank area, Waterford, Modesto. You just got a few passing showers as well. Stockton right now, here's what you see on the camera. Things are cloudy and it's mild. Temperatures mid to upper 50s in the valley, 40 up at the top. And in terms of rainfall amounts today, there'll be a wide range, especially in the northern Sacramento. Could see pushing close to 3/4 of an inch or more. Foothills, a wide range as well here, 1 to about 3 inches. And today in the Sierra, that snow level again running pretty high at about 9,000 feet. And around lake level, we could see about 1 to 2 inches of rainfall possible. Now we are plugged into some tropical moisture here coming in off the coast, and that line of moisture, the bulk of that bullseye is along the northwestern tier of the state, and that's where we are going to see again some stronger winds and those better rainfall totals. Colusa, Winters, Clear Lake area. Your 8 o'clock forecast for wind gusting to 25 to 30 miles per hour. And then notice this is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Could see some winds gusting close to 40 in Truckee and Lake Tahoe. And just considering those winds, there may even be some lift holds if you have plans to go to the high country today. And also, it's just not going to be the best ski day today because of the rain that'll be coming down, especially elevations below 9,000 feet. Once we get into the daytime on Wednesday, we start to dry out with some lingering clouds into Thursday and Friday, gradually warming temperatures. And then for the weekend, there's a slight chance we may see a few brief showers. But for the time being, I think Wednesday morning, a few showers left over in the Sierra and the foothills. And then Thursday, we are dry and mild. Friday's also dry and mild. Temperatures pushing towards the 70s. And here's that little system. It's off the coast on Saturday. And depending on where it kind of swivels around over the weekend is really going to be dependent on who sees a couple of showers. Here's what I'll tell you, though. Don't cancel the outdoor plans if you have them Saturday afternoon or Sunday in the valley. I do think things will likely be more drier if that system holds offshore a little bit more. Temperatures will stay mild, guys. Look at that. Tracking 70s Friday and Saturday, upper 60s into next week, which is not too far off from normal. This time of year is about 63 degrees.
Wow.
Those temperatures look really nice this week.
Yeah, they do.
They do.
Boy.
Get out and play.
Yeah. Well, still ahead, making